Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that every fitness enthusiast should know about: muscle recovery hacks. If you're looking to maximize your gains and optimize your workouts, understanding the significance of effective recovery methods is crucial. In this video, we'll explore some unconventional recovery tips that can help you bounce back faster and get the most out of your training sessions. We often focus on the grind of lifting weights and pushing our limits, but what happens after that workout is just as important. Recovery is where the real magic happens. It's when your muscles repair and grow stronger. We'll cover innovative techniques that go beyond the usual foam rolling and stretching, including unique methods that might surprise you. By incorporating these hacks into your routine, you can enhance your performance, reduce soreness, and ultimately achieve faster results. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, stick around as we unveil these game-changing recovery strategies. Get ready to transform the way you think about recovery and take your gains to the next level. Understanding muscle recovery. Muscle recovery is a vital aspect of any fitness regimen, and understanding the science behind it can significantly enhance your performance. After an intense workout, your muscles undergo a series of physiological processes aimed at repairing and rebuilding. When you exercise, tiny tears occur in your muscle fibers. The body responds by sending nutrients and blood to the affected areas, initiating a healing process that leads to muscle growth and strength gains. Recovery is not just about rest, it plays a crucial role in preventing injuries. When you allow your muscles adequate time to recover, you reduce the risk of strains and overuse injuries, which can derail your fitness journey. Moreover, proper recovery enhances your overall performance, enabling you to push harder and achieve better results in subsequent workouts. While traditional recovery methods like rest and hydration are essential, there are also unconventional techniques that can accelerate your gains. From contrast baths to active recovery sessions and even innovative tools like percussion massagers, these methods can optimize your recovery process. By incorporating these strategies into your routine, you can ensure that your body is not only recovering effectively but also primed for your next workout. Understanding muscle recovery is the key to unlocking your full potential in fitness. Unconventional recovery techniques. When it comes to muscle recovery, thinking outside the box can lead to impressive results. Let's explore some unique and practical recovery hacks that you can easily implement into your routine. First up is the contrast bath. This technique involves alternating between hot and cold water immersion. The heat helps to increase blood flow, while the cold reduces inflammation. This combination can significantly speed up recovery and alleviate soreness. Next, we have foam rolling, a self-myofascial release technique that helps to relieve muscle tightness and improve flexibility. By rolling out your muscles, you break up adhesions and promote better blood circulation, which aids in recovery and reduces the risk of injury. Another effective method is active recovery, which includes low-intensity exercises like walking, cycling, or yoga. Engaging in light activity helps to keep blood flowing to your muscles, flushing out toxins and reducing stiffness. We encourage you to experiment with these unconventional techniques to find what works best for you. Everyone's body responds differently, so don't hesitate to mix and match these methods. By incorporating these recovery hacks into your routine, you'll be well on your way to faster gains and improved performance. Nutrition for recovery. When it comes to muscle recovery, nutrition plays a pivotal role that cannot be overlooked. The right nutrients can significantly enhance your body's ability to repair and rebuild muscle tissue after a workout. Key nutrients like protein and omega-3 fatty acids are essential for this process. Protein provides the building blocks your muscles need to recover and grow stronger, while omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and promote healing. To optimize your recovery, consider incorporating specific foods into your post-workout meals. Greek yogurt is an excellent choice, as it's packed with protein and probiotics that support gut health. Additionally, foods rich in omega-3s, such as salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds, can help combat inflammation and speed up recovery. Another powerful addition to your recovery arsenal is turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. You can easily add turmeric to smoothies, soups, or even golden milk for a delicious boost. Remember, focusing on post-workout nutrition is crucial for maximizing your recovery efforts. Aim to consume a balanced meal or snack within 30 to 60 minutes after exercising. By prioritizing these nutritional strategies, you'll not only enhance your recovery but also set yourself up for greater gains in your fitness journey. Mindfulness and recovery. When we think about muscle recovery, we often focus on physical aspects like nutrition and rest. However, mental well-being plays a crucial role in the recovery process as well. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and visualization can significantly enhance your recovery by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Meditation is a powerful tool that helps calm the mind and allows your body to enter a state of rest. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to meditation, you can lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress, which can hinder your physical recovery. Similarly, deep breathing exercises can help you center yourself and alleviate tension, making it easier for your body to heal. Visualization is another effective technique. By picturing your muscles repairing and growing stronger, you can create a positive mindset that encourages recovery. This mental imagery can enhance motivation and focus, leading to better performance in your next workout. We encourage you to incorporate mindfulness practices into your recovery routines. Whether it's a few minutes of meditation after a workout or deep breathing exercises before bed, these techniques can help you manage stress and create a more holistic approach to muscle recovery. Prioritizing mental well-being is just as important as physical care in your fitness journey. Sleep and recovery. Sleep is often the unsung hero of muscle recovery and overall performance. Understanding the critical role it plays can transform your fitness journey. During sleep, your body goes through several stages, including REM and deep sleep, both of which are essential for muscle repair and growth. In deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is vital for tissue growth and muscle recovery. This is when the real magic happens, allowing your muscles to heal and strengthen after a tough workout. To maximize the benefits of sleep, it's important to focus on improving sleep quality. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Consider activities like reading, gentle stretching, or meditation to help you relax before bed. Additionally, creating a sleep-friendly environment, cool, dark, and quiet, can significantly enhance your sleep quality. The connection between adequate sleep and faster gains in fitness cannot be overstated. When you prioritize sleep, you not only recover more effectively but also improve your performance in the gym. This means you can lift heavier, train harder, and ultimately achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. So, make sleep a priority in your recovery strategy, and watch your gains soar. In today's video, we explored some unconventional recovery hacks that can significantly enhance your muscle recovery and lead to faster gains. We discussed techniques like contrast baths, foam rolling, and active recovery, each offering unique benefits that help reduce soreness and improve flexibility. We also highlighted the critical role of nutrition, emphasizing key nutrients like protein and omega-3 fatty acids, along with specific foods that can boost your recovery efforts. Additionally, we delved into the importance of mental well-being through mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing, which can reduce stress and positively impact your physical recovery. Finally, we underscored the vital role of sleep in muscle repair and overall performance, encouraging you to prioritize quality rest as part of your fitness journey. Integrating these tips into your regular workout routine can make a world of difference in how quickly you recover and how effectively you progress. We hope you found these insights valuable and are excited to try them out for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more innovative fitness content that can benefit everyone on their fitness journey.